sweetheart? No? Ready? Good. Yeah. What a good girl. Wash those eyes. You get this one over here. I gotcha. I gotcha. Okay, ready? Close the eye. Close the eye. Close the eye. Close the eye. There we go. You did a good job. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on over. We've got to beat. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, good girl. Good girl. There we go. Right up where we need to go. Come on over. Move it over. Move that one over. Okay. You're gonna stay here for Daddy without nobody holding you? Huh? You're gonna stay here for Daddy with nobody holding you? You're right there. Ready? Gonna give me this foot. Give me this foot. Good girl. What a good girl. What a very good girl. What a very good girl. Yeah. You got some dirty feet there, lady. You got some dirty feet this morning. You do. You got some dirty feet this morning. You do. Very dirty feet. Very, very dirty feet this morning. Yes, you do. Look at all that poop in there. Look at all that poop in there. Look at all. Yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Whoa, 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 whoa. I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Just brush it out. Let's just brush it out. One more time here, okay? One more little pick. There you go, good girl. Very good. You were very brave. You were very, very brave. Let's pick up the poopies. Stay right there. Don't you go nowhere. Okay? Where are you going? Stay right here. No. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right there. Okay? Gonna do the next one, okay? Give me this foot. Good girl. What a good girl you are. You're a good girl. What do you got in here there? Something really big is in here this morning. I got you. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got you. I got you. I got you. Let's see what this is. Hold still. I got you. No, no, no. No, no, no. There's a big stick in the foot here.
Stick?
Big piece of stick. There you go. There you go, sweetheart. We got it. We got it. We got it. See that? Other than that, was really clean. She had a big, look at the size of this piece of stick that was in there, Mommy.
Oh my goodness. That was from out here too.
Slide this foot back over here, okay? You ready? Ready to do this one? This is the one where you lean on me a lot. You always put full weight on me in this one, okay? Ready? Ready? Okay, Daddy's gotcha. Oh, make sure you put all your weight on Daddy. Put all your weight right on Daddy. That a girl. That a girl. That a girl. What a good girl. That's it. Very good job. Very, very good job this morning. Yeah. Good job, sweetheart. Okay, just this last one. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Do this one. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Okay, this one, full. This is the one that you always fill up. For some reason.
The worst one.
I don't know why. This is the one you always fill up too. This is the one you always fill up. Yeah. Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. I gotcha. Hold still, baby. I gotcha. Good girl. What a good girl. You were very brave. You were very brave. You gotta wash those feet now, okay? We're gonna do some foot wash. Time to do the funky donkey foot wash. Release the chickens. Okay, we're gonna do the foot wash. Move it on over here. Move it over. Good girl. Now we're gonna wash those feet. We're gonna do a foot wash, right? You're gonna pick this one up over here. Got it? Daddy got it. Give it to Daddy. I love you too. I love you. Yeah, you go. I gotcha. I gotcha. See, you're just washing the foot. See? Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice. Just wash the front of that foot. You're such a good girl. You are. You're such a good girl. You are. Let me get this back from here. Okay? Give it up. Good girl. I gotcha. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going? You just shifting your weight? Huh? Okay. Oh, you okay? What happened? What happened, baby? You lost your weight? Come on up a little bit. Come on. Come on up. Okay, good girl. Let's do this front one over here.
Up, up, up.
Ready? Gonna do a little wash. Give it up. Give it up. I got it. I got it. I got you. I got you. I got you. This one's dirty. My, look at the dirt on there. Okay, one more last one. This is the one you can put all your weight on me on. Okay, come on back over. There you go.
Hurry up before the chickens get their brain.
Okay, come on. Give me this one. Give it up. Give it up.
Come on.
Good girl. Oh. Oh. Put all that weight on me, honey. Put every bit of that weight on me. I got you. I got you 200 fat ass pounds. I got you. There you go. There you go, sweetheart. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You got it? Good girl. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl, dude. Very, very good girl. Very proud of you. Very proud of you. Let's give you some grain.
Gotta get my drink first. Wait a minute, Daddy.
Okay, come on, girl. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, get your brain.